Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain what is YouTube TV VOD or video on demand. So on YouTube, VOD or video on demand refers to the pre-recorded videos available on the platform that users can watch anytime. This contrasts with the live streams which are broadcast in real time. So this is what VOD is. Now for any reason, if you face any of the problems with VOD, what you can do is you can simply seek help from YouTube TV customer service executive, and for that you can click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you will see the option of help or support. So you just have to simply click on send feedback, and once you click on the send feedback option, you just have to take a screenshot of the VOD section or the DVR section where you are basically facing the problem. Afterwards you can just simply describe the problem in this section, and then you just have to check this box and you can connect with YouTube TV customer service via email. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.